walking to the Fino jail. We just made steaks, and now we poured some root beer on top while I drink this one. Because we got the dog in us like Snoopy drinks root beer.
Mug root beer, get the dog in you.
Yep, and remember the Snoopy when Snoopy's favorite drink is root beer? Except dogs can't actually
Bon
drink
Voyage,
soda.
Charlie Brown.
And dogs in reality can't drink soda.
Truth. Here's our steaks that we've marinated with salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil so far. So we've never done this before. Here, you want to film it?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Mug root beer Snoopy dog. Here, pour it on.
Get the dog in you. All right, we're marinating them.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right, what you see here is we got some butter, some crushed garlic, and some fresh rosemary that we're going to include.
Daddy.
Come here and smell it.
This is so good. Excuse me.
Get the dog in you.
If we got Snoopy toy there, which I love Snoopy. It's like a Happy Meal toy, Snoopy. This is Snoopy. His favorite drink is root beer. But dogs can't actually drink root beer in reality.
It's true, but this one has the dog in him though, right?
Yeah. Mug root beer get the dog in you.
Yeah.
I'll show you the bull. You want a comparison of the dog, the picture on it, and Snoopy?
Yeah.
So this is like a bulldog, except this one's a beagle. But in reality, Snoopy's actually a labradoodle.
And he drinks a lot of root beer in Bon Voyage, Charlie Brown.
But always have an adult to help you.
This is the eye of the stove dials. Okay, this is very old. And you turn it. We're going to turn it to medium high. Okay.
Yeah, but I can't touch it because it's hot.
Because you're a kid, right?
Yeah.
Don't try this at home without adult supervision with you.
Aiden.
Okay, sorry. Don't do it. Don't show the whole kitchen. It's too
You can
dirty.
tell him his name.
Don't try this at home, kids. Take it from Aiden. I know. I'm a baby.
Hello, I'm Hossy, the honey wasp.
Oh, Waspy the honey
This
wasp.
is Hoppy the honey wasp, and this is my 515. I'm 515 with this wasp in costumes, and watch out for bees because they could sting you. So do wasps, yellow jackets, bumblebees. The bees make the honey, we make the money.
That's right.
When I hear my catchphrase, it's called "Oh my Finua."
Oh my Finua? What is that?
Yeah, that's my catchphrase. It's my new catchphrase. I have a new catchphrase. And the bees you met are my mascots. Oh my Finua.
Oh my Finua!
And my dad's catchphrase is
Grab them taters.
Oh my Josh. Oh no, oh my Joshly. This is my dad's catchphrase.
Oh my Joshly.
Be sure to like and subscribe. 26 root beer.
Now look, this is that root beer juice left over. We're going to pour it in here, okay?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, pour it on our steak.
I wonder what it's going to taste like when it's ready.
Well, we will find out.
Yeah.
Come here, look.
Hang on.
I want you to see what the steaks are looking like. See it smoking.
Smoky.
Yeah, the smoke coming off it. See, it's cooking.
Yeah.
See it?
You will put it in the oven too?
No, buddy, it's on a skillet. Say skillet steaks
Skillet steak.
with root beer.
Both that spaceship and the Grogu head. Daddy. Okay.
Now I'm going to set these aside for a minute.
Before I go to Sonic, Daddy. You know that?
We'll do Sonic.
Mukbang videos. All food videos. Mukbang videos are food videos. You know that? Yeah. Is it ready? You know that?
Mmm.
Yep.
I'm putting the steaks back down, okay? No, yeah?
Yeah, because there's different parts of the cow for each steak that comes from.
Yeah, there's different cuts of it. You're right, son. You're very smart. Are you excited about my steaks?
Yeah, it's gonna be so good.
I've never done it with root beer before, so I'm hoping you'll like it. It's just something we're trying.
Yeah.
I'm gonna flip them here in just a second. I've got it on low temp, and I'm cooking them on low temp in the sauce.
Is there any way to switch to turn it off?
No,
What does it look like now?
like this. It's cooking.
And why is the seasoning so stringy, like spinach?
That's not. That's it's not spinach. It's more like a little tree branch. It's rosemary. It's a seasoning. We keep marinating it
Daddy,
with the root beer and the butter and the garlic and the rosemary. We keep doing this, and then we keep flipping it after
Daddy?
so many minutes. Yeah, buddy.
Is that seasoning have dirt in it?
No, buddy. No dirt in it. It's clean, and I bought it at the store, and I washed it off. It's called rosemary. See, don't be alarmed by it. You won't eat it. You won't be part of what
I
you eat.
pretend like this is a rib sandwich.
Rib sandwich. Oh, nom, 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 nom. All right, so time to flip it, buddy boy.
So
And then-
we're ready.
No, we're still working on it. We gotta check the temp.
I want to
kick
flip.
it back.
Can I flip?
Yeah, here. Take your hand right here.
It may be a little hot when it first
Yeah, be
gets
careful.
ready.
We're gonna flip it. Okay.
Yeah.
Let Daddy fix that there. Okay.
Now
Now we're gonna move to our newer.
If it's hot fresh out of the skillet, you have to let it cool off or blow on it.
Well, yeah, we let it cool. Here, come here.
And it may be greasy, so don't eat with your hands. Eat with utensils.
Yes, eat with the utensils. Now,
Yeah.
look here. Now, look, I got, since it's cooked more and you don't see a lot of the bloodiness of it,
Yeah.
I've got the clear tone, the cleaner tones.
Yeah.
But we're not done yet, so we're going to keep marinating.
How would it taste to you if you put root beer on your steak?
I don't know. We're going to find out. Get the dog in you. All right, we're going to flip it again. Then we're going to pick up the temp after.
And then it'll be ready?
Soon after. Yes, it will. We're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. And then let's start getting ready. All right, buddy boy?
All right, Dad.
I love you.
Love you too. Dad here.
Hi.
I'm Finley, his child. And this is my doll, my pretend son baby doll, Aiden. I also have a fake mustache and sunglasses to look like my dad. Here's a backup, Aiden. Here's my wife, Lucy. Hey, Douglas, Aiden's my wife's dad, and here's the Go, the neighbor's dog that Aiden's friends with the neighbor's dog.
Picture up. Back to medium high.
Most of these are sharp. Why don't they make them sharp, Daddy?
What?
These.
Because they're for children.
Oh.
That's why I got them. They're magnets. Because you're my baby boy and I love you.
Come on. Dad, look. I'm gonna beat you with that hammer in those days style.
Alright, they're done, buddy.
For real?
Yeah.
Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo.
I love you, buddy.
They were done.
We'll wait 10 minutes till they're ready. Boom.
I say look, Daddy Ron. He's a look.
Here, Douglas, the father-in-law. There's Vago,
The neighbor's dog.
the neighbor's dog, Vago. Aiden, he's a baby. And there's, of course, beautiful Lucy. Boy, she's got some conjunctivitis in her eyes, but she's here with us in spirit. Root beer steak.
Good.
It's good. Look at me in the camera. What do you think?
I just want to eat it.
Thanks for doing root beer steaks with me. I love you.
You're welcome.
This is your idea.
We're the best meats on pizzas.
We sure are, Dr. Seuss. Root beer steaks. Get yours today. Get the dog in you.
Bye, everyone.